y'all see my head is a mess. So I'm gonna pretty much just show y'all how oh, excuse me. I'm gonna show y'all how I take my crochet down. So for the top, I'm just taking out the pins, and I promise y'all I'm gonna try not to make this a long video, but I just take out the pins, and honey, I got pins everywhere. Up in here, up in here, up in here. All right. So, take the pins out. Good. And we got, alright. Take this off. So, I was gonna keep the hair, but I think I'm just gonna throw it away. Cause for many reasons. One, it stink. So, I'm just gonna throw that away. So for the, damn. Oh, sorry y'all, I ain't mean to cuss. Alright. So for the back, that's all I'm gonna do, baby. But I'm gonna try to section it so it won't be so hard. So, I gotta move my glass. Y'all like my wine glass? Ah, it's cute, ain't it? Sorry, I had to move my glass. So, I'm pretty much just gonna... This would be so much easier if I could see what I'm doing. Jesus. Child. I have to tell you one thing. Trying to do this and look in the camera is not fun at all. So if I lean over to the side, I'm trying to look in the mirror. So I'm just gonna just pull them. Okay, so this side is done, I believe. I'm just going on what I can feel. So now, oh Jesus, let's, child, I don't even know where to start, to tell you the truth. But, alright. I ain't cut enough hair off, so I'm gonna have to go back and cut lower, but I'm not cutting too low at first because I don't want to cut my hair. I ain't got nothing but a little bit of hair anyway, so I don't want to cut any more. I don't want to cut any of my hair out because I ain't got nothing but a handful. So Yeah. Like I did on the other side, after I cut it, I just pull it out. So like, some of them, what I was trying to say was, earlier some of them wasn't coming out and I had to cut it shorter, which is why I just went on and did it this go around. Alright, so I'm done. At least I think I am. I'm trying to feel. So I took the bag down. I'm actually feeling to see if I missed some spots. But took that down. So all I really got to do for this is just take this ponytail down. Wasn't much to that part. And of course, I gotta take the braids down in the back, but oh, that feels so good, y'all. Oh my God. Oh, but yeah, so of course I gotta take the braids down in the back. But other than that, I am done. So I hope this video helps y'all. I've got hair everywhere. I feel all icky and sticky. I need to go take a shower. But I hope this helps y'all. I'm so sorry. This feels so good, Jesus. Okay, let me try this again. Hope this video was helpful. Give your girl some likes, you know, thumbs it up. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I will see you all soon because I got to do something to these. Because it's like 8 o'clock at night and I got to get up at 5 in the morning. So, yeah, see you soon. Got to do something to this. Bye.